I'm going to be opening up something. I have no idea what it is. All I know is it's like a GoPro cover thing. That's all I possibly know. I don't really know anything about it. I'm just hoping it's what I expect it is, because that would be really sad if it isn't. So yeah, I don't know where we're going right now. I think we're going to the field to open it because it's nice weather. But I have my Dobby Blondie here. This is a new top, and these trousers are what she came with. And then I put her here in a ponytail. And yeah, she looks really cute today. I love how cute she looks. The top, if you're wondering what size it is, it's 3 months. And it's very cute. I don't know what it says because it's in cursive writing. I don't know what it says. My mom's going to tell me what it says.
It said, "Hello, little love."
My mom just told me it says, "Hello, little love."
You should be able to read it.
Yeah, but it's in cursive writing. I don't know what cursive writing. So, that's why I didn't know how to read it. But, you can see her cloth a little bit, but that's okay because her ponytail covers her cloth a little bit. So, I think we're going to do it on the field. How with that? So I sat the baby down, my dolly. So we're gonna get on opening the things. So let's go on. So it's in a big bag. It's very heavy. So first I'm gonna open up the small one because the big one looks a little special. So I'm gonna open up the little one first. I don't know if it will open because I don't know where to open it. It's coming off. It's not gonna get off. It's not gonna peel off. So my mom wanted me to use her keys because it's very hard. So I'm just gonna try and use her keys to open this box that will not open. And it is very hard to open this box because it's like taped shut. I'm not really good at opening tape shut boxes.
Probably that you can just do that. Both hands.
Just pull it up. Oh!
I can help you.
Okay, that's better. You just put my speaker. Okay, there's a lot of this. Where's a lot of this? There's like a whole wrap of it. Stop moving. I'm just going to put it under the That's just the bill. Oh my god, I can't take it out. It won't get out. Let me just tip it out.
Gently.
What is this? It's my mom's GoPro.
It's your GoPro. For your YouTube channel.
I don't like them.
Huh?
Nothing, I'm just going to open this up. I don't know how to do it.
There's no reaction.
Because I didn't think he would get me this. Because my mom's been waiting for this herself, not for me. So I'm not really disappointed.
Let's have a closer look.
I'm going to try and get this off of the package. Oh, there we go. There's like a little line here. I can open it like that. Oh my god.
Be very gentle.
I will. I can't get it down to open up.
Okay.
There's like I need to peel it. It has like a picture of someone like taking a picture. So I'm just gonna peel this off because I'm gonna peel it off. I look forward to be losing this, but I don't need it to clear because it's not working anyway. So I'm gonna put it back in the package. Oh, it won't fit now. Is there a reason why this is not good?
That'll be fine. That'll be fine, baby.
Let's go to the next thing to open. My baby keeps falling. Oh, this is the big box. I'm excited for the big box back. I wasn't isn't a map. Is it a luggage? Is it a luggage? Is it a luggage? Is it a luggage? Is it just a... What is this? I don't even like any of this stuff. What is this?
Oh, that's for your GoPro, darling. You're gonna love it.
I don't want to keep this stuff in here. I don't want to keep this stuff in here.